January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Mariam named each month as she bounced her ball, walking up and down the driveway of her house. Just as Mariam was going to say September, her hand missed the ball and it rolled away. Bilal, the boy next door, was looking out of the window. Mariam, your ball went there, he said, pointing towards the gate. Thank you, said Mariam and ran off. She stopped suddenly when she saw smoke coming from Yasin, the gardener's old motorbike. Mariam looked around. She saw Bilal still looking out of the window. Hey Bilal, hurry! Please get help! Ammi, please come out! Yasin bhai's motorbike is burning! She yelled. Bilal ran out with his mother and so did Mariam's mom, who shouted, Stay back, children! A cloth bag under the motorbike was on fire. Bilal's mother threw a bucket full of water on it. There was a sizzling and crackling sound as the fire went out. Mariam's mother saw a burnt matchstick on the floor near the motorbike and picked it up. We must call Yasin and ask him, she said. When asked, Yasin said he had lit a match to use as a light to look for a screw that he had dropped. When he found the screw, he threw the match down. Was the match still burning, Yasin? Asked Mariam's mother. It may have been, said Yasin. And is there a hole in your petrol tank? She asked. Yes, there is a leak. I was not getting time to get it fixed, he replied. Mariam's mother went around the bike and got her ball. Yasin, I suggest we all sit down and talk about this so it doesn't happen again. This could have been a bad accident, said Mariam's mother with a serious face. Yasin was upset. Mariam and Bilal looked afraid. They sat down together around the garden table. Bilal's mother came with some cool lemonade and sweet buns. I'm so happy. We are all safe, she said. Mariam's mother looked at everyone and said, Do you know that even a very small fire can get out of control and burn down a whole house, dry leaves or grass? Fires move very fast. We were lucky that Mariam saw the fire and ran for help. That's what children must always do. She then drew a big triangle on paper. Air, heat, fuel. Whenever these three things are together, a fire will start, she told them. What do you think happened today, Mariam and Bilal? Were these three things there to start the fire? Mariam's mother asked. The heat came from the burning matchstick, replied Bilal. What is fuel? Asked Mariam. Fuel is oil or gas that can catch fire very quickly, said her mother. Oh, so petrol is fuel and air is all around us, Maryam said. Yasin apologized and said sadly, if Maryam hadn't seen the fire, the fuel tank could have exploded and everything around it could have lit up. The breeze could have taken the fire to many different places. Don't be sad, Yasin, said Maryam's mother. Today, we have all learned a big lesson. Let's each make a poster to teach others what makes a fire spread. Maryam and Bilal took their posters to school to share with their class. Yasin took his poster home and said he would share with his family and friends.